Top 10 Facts about Dubai. Number 1, Dubai is one of the 7 emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, UAE. It is the second largest emirate by area and the most populous city in the UAE. Number 2, Dubai has a rich history, with evidence of human habitation dating back to the 3rd millennium BC. It was a small fishing village until the discovery of oil in the 1960s, which led to rapid development and transformation into a modern city. Number 3, Dubai is known for its luxury shopping, modern architecture, and vibrant nightlife. It is also home to many world-famous landmarks, including the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. Number 4, Dubai is located on the Persian Gulf, and its economy is largely based on trade, tourism, and finance. It is a major hub for air travel, with the busiest airport in the world by international passenger traffic. Number 5, Dubai has a diverse population with over 200 nationalities represented. The official language is Arabic, but English is widely spoken and is the language of business.
Number 6. The climate in Dubai is hot and dry, with temperatures ranging from around 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. Number 7. Dubai is a city of opportunity, with a strong focus on education and business. It has a number of international schools and universities, as well as a thriving business community. Number 8. Dubai is known for its luxury shopping and dining experiences, with a range of high-end retail outlets. Number 9. Dubai is a major tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year with its sandy beaches, luxury hotels, and world-class shopping and dining options. Number 10. Despite its modernity and luxury, Dubai has a rich cultural history and is home to a number of ancient landmarks, including the Al Jumeirah Mosque and the Dubai Museum.